head scratching and dormant brain cells awakening with the sacred secretion or Kundalini. This video is in response to @BasketBallion. Thank you for your request. Firstly, a look at the fontanelle. Now, these are explored in the book The Cell of Life, Awakening and Regenerating, but in esoteric or hidden teachings, the fontanelle is considered a sacred gateway connecting the physical body with higher spiritual energies. They are believed to be the entrance point for spiritual energy into physical form. This is why theories pinpoint the fontanelle as a physical manifestation of the subtle crown chakra or energy center at the top of the head. Kundalini rishis associate the gradual closing of the fontanelles from birth through childhood as the descent and anchoring of the soul into the body. In this way, children are more susceptible to new thoughts, and therefore they can learn or pick things up more easily because they're less attached to different programs or to the illusion of physical restrictions. Each of us transitions from a more spiritually unified and open state into a focused, individualized state as our fontanelles close. The tides of our fluidic soul bodies ebb and flow with the cycle known as the cranial respiration cycle. All throughout life, the join of the skull at the fontanelle pulses with this specific cycle, leaving us more susceptible to energetic influences at different times. And this is highlighted with the sacred secretion time phase, which of course is when the moon is in your specific sun sign or birth zodiac sign. This brings us along to the healing and awakening of dormant brain cells that were asked about. This is caused by the development of new neurite pathways via the preserving and raising of the sacred secretion. The moon spends approximately 3 days in each constellation. Parallel to this, the neurite pathways, which consequently awaken the dormant brain cells, also take 3 days to develop. It's really interesting that you said about being compelled to scratch your head and feeling energy pulsing through your fingertips as you do this, because this is a symptom or effect of the Kundalini rising that many people speak about. And what you're feeling is the increased flow of radiant energy through the nervous and lymph systems as the biochemicals of enlightenment are secreted into your CSF, so your Christ oil. Impromptu urges to scratch your head are a characteristic of Kundalini rising as your lymph water purifies and detoxifies old toxins and emotional imprints from the cellular terrain, which also helps with the development of those new neurite pathways, which then goes on to awaken the dormant brain cells. Now, I hope this goes some way to answering your query, and thank you very much for your input into this channel. As always, the links to my books, courses, and other resources can be found in the description box below this video. Thank you very much for watching. May divine light manifest itself in you all, always and in all ways. Namaste.